Hey everyone, I'm going to show you that this grounding mat works. This is the grounding mat and this is the green color cord that comes with it. One end of the cord goes into your earthing point. The other end of the cord connects to your grounding mat itself. I will show how the body voltage when measured in a multimeter decreases when everything is properly connected and my body is connected to the grounding mat. Let's get started. Let me explain how I'm using the multimeter to measure the body voltage. The black cord goes into the earthing point, as you can see, and the red cord, I am touching the red cord and you can see that my body voltage is around 2.84 volts without any grounding or earthing. So don't worry about too much about the numbers. The voltage shown here should decrease when I touch my body to the grounding mat when everything is connected. Step 1, I'm not going to connect the plug right now to the grounding mat and I'm going to touch the grounding mat. You see that the body voltage is showing 3.6 and it has increased. I don't know why it increased, but it's okay. It's without the grounding mat getting connected, it is showing 3.6 volts. Now I will show you after connecting it. Now if you see, I have connected the cord to the grounding mat. Everything is properly connected. Now let us see the interesting part, that is I have the red cord connected to my fingers. As you can see, the body voltage is now around 2.28 volts, and when I touch the grounding mat you will see that it has decreased to around 0.9 volts. That is the check, and this makes sure that the grounding mat is working well. Thank you.